Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. We got a package in from Sneakers. You feel me? The package touched down, and actually Sneakers app changed the tape. No more tape. Shout out to them for listening, because we ain't trying to get robbed out here. And I got some heat up in this bitch, so we gonna go ahead and get straight to it. But before we do, make sure you leave a like on this video. Come on, this gonna be a banger, bro. So I just wanted to cover two quick things before we get about this video. On Monday the 20th, Maniere is going to be having a restock for these in preschool and adult sizing, so make sure you go ahead and just keep your eyes peeled for Maniere very early in the morning tomorrow. And hey, best of luck to y'all. I just thought I'd put this in here before the video starts, just so that you know, in case you are trying to get these sneakers still. I picked a winner for the giveaway as well, so go on Nori.archives. I think it's Omar Hernandez, and I'm gonna do another giveaway literally the next video that y'all see. I'm gonna decide what to give away, and it's gonna be up, so make sure you stay tuned. I mainly just want y'all to subscribe to the channel because there's way more fire content coming. I think I'm gonna switch this whole shit up with Supreme ending. I'm actually mad excited, bro. Like, would y'all like this blue beanie from SS20? Let's not waste no time. These came yesterday, and I've been waiting for my initial reaction on the video, obviously. So ooh, you got the Maniere A right there with the sleeve on the box. These shits is hard. I ain't even seen the kicks, but you got the A on the box right there. I might have to switch one of the boxes I got back there because this one's actually hard. Maniere Air Jordan, same shit on the other side, the A right there. Let's see both of our reactions at the same time. Ooh, come on. Damn, that's hard, bro. That's hard. It really is like a cracked leather. I don't know how to explain it, but these shits are fuck. Bro, I'm gonna pull these out real quick. So right here we got the Maniere Jordan 1s, that hang tag on the side, burgundy on the swoosh and on the collar of the sneaker as well. The inside is quilted on these to give that luxury feel. I wonder if you guys can notice the cracked leather. Almost looks like a dry ass suede, but it's really not. Like, it's actual leather. It feels different. And I'm not gonna bullshit y'all. I'm wondering how these are gonna stand the test of times. Maniere Nike Air on the tongue, and then you do have that crack material along the whole sneaker pretty much. You have that off-white sail midsole. The outside is that same color burgundy crush. I think these are a solid pair of Jordan 1s. The only pair that I could kind of compare this to in my collection is these, even though these remind me of the 85 metallic pack, but this is the closest I got to it, and I think it's hard, bro. So I'm about to go ahead and lace these shits. Honestly, I think I'm gonna do cream on one and then burgundy on the other. The laces are like this waxy finish, but it's a soft wax on it. I'm interested in seeing how these look on feet and with fits. Solid Sneakers pickup. Shout out to Sneakers for blessing me again. I know more W's coming my way, you feel me? This is just one of them, and stay tuned because there's more heat coming. So yeah, man, I laced them in both ways, and honestly, I don't know what way to go. I think both are clean. I might even keep them just like this. I love the way that the burgundy looks, but I do feel like the leather is gonna crack off into the laces. With the cream ones, you wouldn't notice it as much, but these do pop. Let me know in the comments, what should I do? Honestly, I feel like both are clean, but I just don't know where to go with it. I don't know how to keep the laces, so let me know in the comments, one or two, cream or burgundy. Honestly, I think these are hard, but at the same time, these shits pop, so let me know. The Maniere Jordan 1s go hard. I feel like it's a different color added to the palette. I do like that burgundy color that they used for the swoosh and around the back collar of the sneaker. It almost has like a faux reptile skin around the swoosh. This is not real. It's almost like the undefeated dunks. Same shit on the back right here. It's more so like a pattern than anything else. You got that burgundy wrapping around, burgundy Nike Air with the Maniere under it. Definitely clean with the cream laces. I love these a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I honestly want to know where you guys rank these as far as top 10 for the year go. I feel like this is top 3, and this might be top 3 Jordan 1s of the year. I don't think this makes it to be Jordan of the year. This is debatably one of the best sneakers that released this year. The Maniere Jordan 3s, I did pay resale for these, but fortunately I got these for retail. Which do you like better, the Jordan 3s or the Jordan 1s? They both have their little touches. They're both fire in my opinion. Apparently Maniere likes purple. We got that plum color on the 3s, then you got that burgundy crush Bordeaux on the back of this Jordan 1. From what I can tell, Maniere is luxury, cream, whites, and purples. Hey, I'm messing with it, I'm not gonna lie. Shit is fire. Both of these are clean. At the time I'm recording this, my size for the Maniere Jordan 1s is going for around $400. I do see these going up in the future. They give off that vintage feel, and I am a fan of that. They have like that 85 vibe to it. I don't know, maybe that's just my opinion. Especially with these cream laces in, they go so hard. These are definitely gonna go up in the future. I could see these Manieres going for anywhere from $500 to $600. They are gonna dip, obviously, just a little bit, but they're gonna go up. That's just my take on it. Honestly, I believe these are a great investment. I don't know if I should keep them with the purple. I'm still debating this shit. Fire sneaker though. I'm still concerned about the flakiness, but I think we'll be alright, I'm not gonna lie. If y'all enjoyed this video, man, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. We on road to 20K, and we trying to get there faster than later, you feel me? So go ahead and subscribe. And with all that being said, man, let me know what y'all think about these. Honestly, I think they're like a 9.2 out of 10. I feel like they could have had a little more color. Even burgundy here would have been hard. I think they're still fire. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about these Manieres. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.